There are tremendous things that you gotta know before you pick pencil for your sketch. Are you interested in knowing all about choosing a good graphite pencil for your sketch? So welcome to the Millennium Arts. I'm Shri, and in this video I'm gonna give you the clear-cut information on the usage of pencil and paper. So I would recommend you to stay throughout the video, and in the end I'm gonna suggest you some best pencils for your sketch. It's totally fine if you are a professional fine artist or just a learner. It's indeed that you have to add a vivid idea on choosing the right graphite pencil for your sketch and for the better strokes. Perhaps you may wonder looking at some sketches which is being drawn by artists because they tend to use the right graphite pencil depending on the sketch that they're trying to do. And the fascinating fact is that the artists turn up using different pencils depending on the effect that they're looking for. Before you start your sketch, you gotta know what kind of drawing that you're intended to do, because technical drawing and with fine lines require a different set of pencils than that of the pencils used for the purpose of shading. Does it seem to be challenging, doesn't it? Choosing right graphite pencil for your sketch? And you could even use charcoal and pastel pencils for your sketch, and it all depends on your shading pattern and drawing style. And some prefer light shade or dark over light shade, and it all depends on your personal artistic style. They all have to know about different grades in pencil. Graphite pencils are made up of a mixture of both clay and graphite. The more clay, the harder the pencil is. So is edge pencils. And the more graphite, the smoother and darker the pencil is. The SB pencils. Their darkness varies from light grey to black. There's a wide range of grades available. I've got a set of pencils for you just to make you understand the varying of darkness between each pencil. As now you could see there's a B, HB and H marked in the pencil. That means they've got their own usage qualities. So you would understand when I compare the shades of the pencil. So H represents hardness and B represents the blackness, and HB is the standard writing pencil. So H pencils are harder and lighter. It contains more clay than graphite, and technically they are used for fine arts. And coming to B pencil, they are softer and darker. The dark and softness varies by the number series mentioned in the pencil. Now with HB, which has a medium darkness. So F and HB pencils are used for the purpose of writing, as I don't have F pencil now. So I'm just using HB. Now coming to B pencil. Now comes to B. Next, 3B. Now 4B. Just look at its darkness. Now it's 5B. Six B. Now comes, as I don't have 7B, I'm gonna use 8B. Then B. And the last is 12B. You could see the increase in the darkness just by increasing the number series mentioned in the pencil. So starting with F and HB pencils, they have medium darkness which holds good for writing. Now coming to B, 2B and 3B pencils. They have softer texture and it holds good for freehand drawing, and these pencils are interdicted for writing. And 4 to 12B pencils are being used for sketches, shading, and they are extremely softer.
As I haven't got all the grades in H pencil, so I would want to explain with an illustration. So now coming to H series, H and 2H pencils are used for technical drawing and for illustrative drawings, and these pencils are hard. 3H, 4H and 5H pencils are very hard. It holds good for technical detailed drawing, drawing fine lines, and for the purpose of craft. Now coming to 6H to 12H pencils, they are extremely harder and they are light greyish, and they aren't more preferred by artists. These pencils are being majorly used for study purpose.
That was all about grades in pencil. So now I'm going to talk about some 5 types of pencil which is mostly being used. First is graphite pencil. It is a mixture of both clay and graphite. Second is solid graphite pencil. They are same sort of pencil which is blended with clay and graphite. Perhaps it's woodless. Third is charcoal pencil. They are made up of charcoal, and these pencils provide fuller black than that of graphite pencil, and it can be smudged easily. Fourth is carbon pencil. Carbon pencils are made up of clay and lampblack, and sometimes it's being blended with charcoal and graphite depending on the darkness. They are smoother than the charcoal and produce less smudge. And the last type of pencil is liquid graphite pencil. They are unlike pencils and more like pens. Like I said in the beginning that I would suggest some best pencil for your sketch in the end of my video, so now it's the time. First preference is Palomino pencil. Of course they are costlier, but at the same time they hold best quality and they are hard and dark enough. Second is Derwent pencil, and third is Dacos graphite pencil. So coming to the usage of paper, I would recommend to use higher GSM sheet, as the A4 size sheet contains 80 GSM and it's very much compressed. If you draw something and probably while erasing it, you could notice the marks in the sheet. It's not same with vellum sheet, as the sheets aren't much compressed. As it has a thick layer, if you want to erase it, then you could do it easily because it doesn't hold much pencil marks. I end up here for this video and hope you guys learned something new today about drawing, and hopefully see you guys in my next video. Thank you for coming to this channel. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram for more sketches.